Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, we got a fresh trade-in. This is a 2008 GMC Yukon SLT. It's loaded with extras. It's got good headlights on it, fog lights, luggage rack, running boards. It's got 20-inch alloy GMC wheels with excellent tread. Is in really good shape, nice shiny wheels. In the back, it's got the backup radar there, and under the license plate, it's got a little backup camera. It's also got a power lift gate that can be activated via the remote. In the back, plenty of storage for groceries, luggage, whatever fits your fancy. There's a little 12-volt charging port there too if you want to have like a little cooler or something in the back. Again, you can either use the button on the door or the remote to close it. It's in really good shape overall. It's kind of a grayish brown. I'm not sure what the official color is on it. It's also on the remote, which has a lot of buttons. This is the back glass, the back door hatch, which I was just pressing. It's also got remote start, where you hold down this top one, starts right up, no hesitation whatsoever. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Inside we got power locks, power windows, power folding mirrors, power mirrors, heated seats, and this heated seat is probably the hottest heated seat I've ever sat in personally. There's your memory seats, power seat, black leather interior. Let's go ahead and put the key in the ignition here. It's got 172,827. So this is a trade-in. There's no warning lights. Everything works as it should. You got your OnStar / Bluetooth settings, your cruise control, your fog and auto light. The vehicle has got XM capability, navigation. It's also got reverse camera, dual climate control, power pedals, rear windshield wiper. You can turn off the rear parking sensors if you want. Up top we got a sunroof with all your sunroof options, vent or full slide. Center console has a bunch of room with an additional charging port there. In the back we've got captain's chairs, again black leather. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Headliner's in great shape. We've got dual DVDs in the back of the headrest of the driver and passenger seat. Down here we've got rear heated seats as well as another charging port and rear air control. In the back you got 3 additional seat belts, making a total of 7 passenger capacity. You also got some cup holders, etc. in the back. All the tires have that good tread on them. Got this beautiful wood grain on the doors. Again, your dual DVDs. Rear thing, so oops, I accidentally hit the rear power hatch. So as you can see, you can open and close that from anywhere you have the remote. So if you get done hauling groceries and it's still open, just hit the remote and you can close it from inside the house. Heated seats on the passenger side. Carpet's all in good shape. Black leather in great shape. Dash overall is in pretty decent shape. It's got a book and the remote. It's powered by a 5.3 liter V8 Vortec engine. It's got a little layer of dust on there, but it's not too bad. Also features a voice audio system. If you'd like to get approved on this, all you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.